Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, and I am here with Diego and Fabian, my little brothers. It's our mom's birthday, and we're going to be making her green spaghetti in the camper. Let's get started. We broke the can opener.
Where'd you get it? Did you get it from Walmart?
Now, we've never done this before, but I'm gonna put an avocado in the sauce. I just think that sounds good, don't you?
Oh yeah, that sounds good, honey.
Test the noodle, see if it's done.
A little longer.
So our pasta's done. And I know it's called green spaghetti and this is fettuccine, that's just what my mom calls it. And it is her birthday, so we are doing whatever she wants. Yep. And Fabian is Mr. Cameraman right now.
Hi.
Make sure to check out his YouTube. He does WWE stuff on his YouTube. So now in here,
It's just my name. But for some reason, yeah, it's just my name, Fabian Holger Furto.
now we're gonna put some peppers and onions in here. And look at how beautiful those peppers and onions are.
Hey, nice.
And we're gonna cook these down and mix them with our sauce. So even though I'm making this outside of a house, you could totally make this dish anywhere as long as you've got your generator turned on and you have a lot of patience. There are quite a few steps, but it's really worth it.
Look at those two, boy.
And we are just gonna keep sauteing those down. And my eyes are getting very watery because it's raining, so we have the door shut. Now this has taken a really long time, so I'm just gonna pop the lid on to hopefully steam up those peppers so they get softer a little bit quicker. Now you can also put chicken in this. Me and my mom used to do that growing up. The chicken is really good. So you would just cook the chicken right now with the peppers and the onions. But that was just an extra step that I really didn't want to do today.
Yeah, but it's because it's raining.
While we wait for the peppers to get a little bit softer, I'll go ahead and chop up the rest of our avocado. So our sauce is over here, getting a little bit more cooked. Now my brother's sauce, I am just gonna pop it in here, and we are just gonna heat it up in the microwave to get it a little bit warm. So now our peppers and our onions are nicely softened, and we are gonna dump in this delicious sauce. And then just stir in those peppers and onions. And you might want to turn it down at this point so that it doesn't splatter all over your camper. Clearly, I'm gonna have to give a nice wipe down to the walls. So now we're just gonna plate up some pasta and we will head inside and eat it. We've got all of our pasta in the bowls. We're ready to get everything separated out. I've just got to try some of this absolutely amazing sauce before we head inside.
It's baby food.
It is so good. You will not believe how good this tastes, especially with everything else on it. I'll be right back to show you what it all looks like. So this is our finished green spaghetti. And then here is my brother's pasta. This is what a camper looks like after you cook a multiple part meal with 2 young brothers. Well, there is the leftover sauce. Obviously, this would be enough sauce for 1 pound of pasta, but since my brothers ate a different sauce, we will have extra. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you try out this recipe, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.
Yeah! Have a great one!
Bye.